Hi everyone, I'm Rachel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to color metallic nail polish using the Color Therapy app. This tutorial is actually quite easy, but is a super cool way to color nails. Start off by coloring the hand. Find this image by searching under the search box for nail. And just for reference, I want to show you what I'm going for. I'm going to do this metallic silver chrome look. You can do the same thing with other colors with like rose gold or rainbow or gold. All right, so to get started, I think it's good to color in the hand and the fingers first. Now for this, I want to create a chrome metallic look. So we're going to start off by using a really dark gray. So under the shades of gray palette, I'm using the second to last gray on the second row and tapping to fill in the fingernails. So we want to make the lines really sharp, so let's use the pen tool. Set the opacity at 100 and size at 30. Make sure coloring inside the lines mode is set to off. Now zoom into a fingernail and then start with white. We're just going to swipe down on the right side of the nail, just like that, horizontally. Now lower the size down to 2. Now let's just draw 2 straight lines on the left side of the nail, parallel, and also one on the right side for details. And then I'm going to draw a little bright area at the tip of the nail, a little triangle shape next to that big area. Switch over to black now. I'm going to draw a little black line next to the one on the left, as well as the right side, just sort of where in between those two lines we did. And then also a little bit in the middle of the tip of the nail and around that little triangle. And just kind of bring it up into our highlight a little bit with jagged lines. Now let's go over to the smear tool, set this intensity at 100, and the size can be between 1 and 7%. I'm going to start at 2%, and now we just want to blend vertically, so I'm starting from the top and just smearing downward, just softening those lines. I'm going to bring that black area up into the nail a little bit. Just blending and smearing all of those lines vertically. Might raise it now to 7%. And just blending that white area down a little bit and maybe just to the left, just a tiny bit, softening it. Same with this area here. I might just blend that up and down so it starts to smooth out. And then I'm going to lower it all the way down to 1% and then add a little squiggly area just right here on the right side. Back in the pen tool, set the size at 1 and opacity at 100. We're just going to trace the inner tip and the base of the nail with white. For a little extra sparkle. And then going back to the smear tool again, size 1 and intensity at 100, and just blend softly those lines we just did. Then you just want to apply it to the other nails, and it's really that simple. Don't forget, you can also try this out with other metallic colors such as rose gold, emerald green, or rainbow. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.